Hi everybody, it's Bear Grove here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with another collage for the hashtag Call August. This one it's gonna be a combination of painting and collage, so enjoy my process. I did start with a stencil, blue paint and some gesso and added a pattern all over the background. I did use a cosmetic sponge to dab the paint through the stencil. In case you are wondering about Call August, it is a challenge that I started over at Instagram. For the month of August I will post one collage per day. You are welcome to join, and in case you are not on Instagram, you are also welcome to post on my Facebook group Bears Mixed Media and more. The link will be in the description. And also, if you are new here, my channel is about mixed media, painting, art journaling, assemblage, collage and anything else that sparks my interest. I have usually 2 videos per week. I would love to see you hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell. If you want even more, like real-time videos, printables, not all will be also available on YouTube, why not consider joining me over at Patreon? Check it out, the link will be in the iCard. Back to the table. As you see, I have already chosen the pieces I probably want to use in this collage. As usual, a little bit more than what I'm gonna need in the end. We have already figured out that choosing the right elements for a specific collage takes quite some time and a lot of back and forth. So I don't bore you with me browsing through magazines and whatnot, but I start right with the background and then go on with the collage itself. So as you can see here, I use also a napkin for collage. And I have finally my Liquitex matte again. So I'm gonna glue down everything with the matte medium. Besides the glue stick, my preferred method. But glue stick really doesn't work with napkin, trust me, just too fragile. But working carefully and quick with Liquitex fluid matte works fine. And just so you know, I did speed up the video twice and did edit out boring parts. When I start a project, I usually have a rough idea what I want to use. For this collage, for example, I wanted to use this hat from a garden magazine. While I was flipping through my magazines, I came across this piece where I had cut out the head for another project. They fit perfect together, I thought. The style and the size seemed to be right. Now I needed just some more, like the flowers again from a magazine and the napkin, and I was ready to go. Also, I have all the bits and pieces. I still have to figure out which I'm gonna use or what part of them. So, for example, with the napkin I go back and forth. I just test what looks the best in my opinion and go with the flow. As you can see, before I take it apart again to glue down, I take a picture so I can arrange it the same way again, at least somewhat. Now I'm ready to glue down. First I apply a thin layer of Liquitex matte on my background. I also will go over with the medium to seal everything. To flatten down the pieces a bit, I use a squeegee, but you could use an old gift card as well. Everything is glued in place now and dry, and I want to add a bit more color. I use the gelatos from Faber-Castell and blend them with some acrylic paint or with my finger. Here I'm using the Stabilo All, which is a water-soluble graphite pencil, to give a bit more definition to the face. I hope you enjoyed the video, and in case you want to try out collage, I will have a class in October in Edmonds near Seattle. You can find the link on my webpage or over at my Facebook. See you soon!